Okay, so that's a 1951 Lombard 316 Woodlot Wizard with an AH-47 engine, gear drive, 9/16 pitch chain, so you know it's a really old one. I believe that was the first model of Lombard saw, one-man saw they used with an AH-47 engine. Before that they were using home lights, and they dubbed this saw the Woodlot Wizard because it was smaller, lighter, and supposedly a little faster than the OMS at the time, but you guys can see it's still pretty slow, but that's alright. It's earned its stripes, it's old enough, 1951, and it runs like that.